opening Pokemon cards. It's the end of the day. I have not really been vlogging today, but I needed to share the card I got. Show them. Show the world. He's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, we still gotta open some cards, so I'm just gonna set you guys down and see what else we get. Yeah, I remember him being in like the top something cards. I don't remember if it's top 10. But I got nothing on this one. Good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful Saturday. We are actually heading to the farmer's market. We haven't been there in a while. We've kind of been homebodies lately, so I've got an outfit on. I just found out that it's like an 80% chance to rain in about like 30 minutes. So we are going to drive there. We were going to walk, but because it's probably gonna rain, we're taking the car just so we don't have to walk back in the rain, because that's not fun. My outfit of the day. So, I've got this old tank. This is from AYM, something like that. I honestly don't remember. But an old white tank. These are old J brand denim and white Converse. I just put a little dry shampoo in my hair, tried to fix some of the frizz that I woke up with, and then just put some earrings on, put my jewelry on. Super simple, like I'm not even wearing a bracelet. Honestly, I should go put my Evil Eye bracelet on. And I'm taking a cardi because I've just been like, I'm like slightly chilly, but it's not really cold outside at all. I've got my Stella McCartney, and I think we're almost ready to go. Ooh, coffee. Let me do that. This is my cardi. I'm just gonna wear it anyways. So, very quick update. We're actually not going to the farmer's market anymore because it's already sprinkling and everything is outdoors. So, we literally just decided to change and go to Karma Cream, which is literally across town, and go get a cappuccino. So, we're gonna go do that. Exciting stuff. But it is a gloomy day. I should have looked at the weather, but I really did not. I did feel like this morning when I showered, I did feel like it had been raining, but I wanted to imagine that it would be a perfectly sunny day, but it's not. It's literally about to rain. We just got here. Which one?
I think it's
Okay. Grabbing an umbrella. Got this one from when I used to go to a therapist back in the day. Gotta lock the car because we are downtown. And I don't trust it. Trying to vlog and lock the car, like it's impossible. I don't know where my keys are. Okay, here it is. Nice. Okay. It's about to rain. It's pokey o'clock, guys. Nah. All right. Mariana. Wow!
Oh, you got it.
Beedrill. Number 161.
Oh, we have him, don't we?
No, we don't. This is the alternative art Beedrill.
Really? Man, why are you so good?
Look, it's so cool. 159, 120, 300, 118. Yeah, it's $100 card.
Holy crap, dude.
Not graded, it's going for 32. So cool.